Hi all, today we will be solving this LeetCode problem, that is number of matching subsequences. So what is a subsequence? Means for solving this question, first we will be knowing like what is a subsequence. So subsequence is means a string which is generated using the characters of a given string, and the order should be maintained. Means in the subsequence, let's say if we are given a string a b c d, a b c d, so means we cannot take ba, because this is a subset and not a subsequence. So for a string to be a subsequence, it should be following the particular order. So let's say a b c, it is a subsequence, then a d is a subsequence, a b is a subsequence, and so on. But this is a subset, so this is the difference between the subsequence and the subset. So hope it is clear. Then moving on to the question. So let's see what does it require. So we are given a string of words and a string, so we just need to find that whether a particular word is a subsequence of a given string or not. If it is, then yeah, count it and return it. So as you can see, like a is a subsequence, then bb is not a subsequence, acd is a subsequence, as we saw. Means it follows a pattern. AC is a subsequence, and so on. So in this way, 3 is the answer: a, acd, ace, and so on. For this string, as you can see, only yeah, this one is matching with the first string, and means this is a subsequence matching with the first string, and this is the subsequence which is matching with the second, means ja, that is matching. So yeah, in this way we need to find. So there are two ways for solving this, like either to generate all the subsequence of a given string. So we can generate all the subsequence of a given string and brute force like. So this will be so after generating all the subsequence, we will be iterating over all the subsequence and matching whether they are present within the word list or not. If they are, then we will count them and add them in the answer. Otherwise, we will not be including them. Or the second way, the vice versa, can be like we can iterate over this list. As we know, like it should whether we are able to recreate, means whether this subsequence are present in the string or not already. So if it is, then our work will be more simple, because we do not require to generate all the subsequence for the given string. So this is the other way. Yeah. Now proceeding towards the question, how to solve it. As we told, like we will be iterating over all the string list of words. So for authority words, then string, what will be happening, like we will be taking each of the words in the word list and then checking for the particular. Yeah, and one more thing, let's say if we found a word, let's say acd, and there is a string again called, means something like our given string is a b c d, and something like j a c d e. So means there are two strings as of now, a c e, and here also we will get a c e. So but we should be only counting them once, because our word list is present at max once, so we should not be counting them twice. And in order to map them, we will be using a map of, means any map you can use. You can use either order or unordered map, that is not a problem. Then this will be used because if the word is already present in our map, then we won't be checking it again. We will be just incrementing the count using this map. So if map of map.find it, means if that is already present in our map, then we won't be adding this again. And our answer, we'll be having an answer variable, integer answer equals to 0. So this will be giving the answer. Then answer will be adding to the value of the map, MP of it. Otherwise, if the value is not present within the map, so we do need to check whether the subsequence can be made or not. Yeah. So just checking how will we check subsequence and passing the string which needs to be checked and the given string, so that is s and the it. So it is used generally for the iterator. And integer check subsequence string a string s. So here string a represent the given word and word from the word list, and the string s is the same as string. So first we'll be checking the length of both the words. So n will be representing the a dot size, and m will be representing the s dot size. Similarly, while so I is, we are at the starting of the string. Let's say we are not checking this one. We are starting of the string a, or let's say acd. So both of them will be at 0 first. J equals 0, and I is less than n. So I is representing the string of our word, so means acd, and j will be representing the our given string. So I is less than m, I is less than n, and j is less than m. So I is here and j is here. Yeah. So I is here, j is here. Then let's say if both of the characters of the string matches, then we will be just moving forward. So let's say a matches with a, incrementing both I and j simultaneously. So that is s of j, I plus plus, j plus plus, and and at that point we will be, otherwise if that is not present, then what we can do, so our means we have the string that needs to match, so we won't be moving the j forward, we would be checking. Okay, so let's say if a is matching, then we will proceeding with b and c. B is not matching, but we can see like c is the next one, so here it matches. Like we can just increment in the I, not the j value, because we do not to check whether this string is a subsequence or not. So this is a bigger string, so we should be iterating over this first. So incrementing the I plus plus, and similarly, let's say if we are able to reach to the end of the second string which is given to us, that is string a. So at that point we will be knowing that there is a subsequence present in the given string. So that is our answer, and we should be returning. If that is true, means we should be getting like length of the I. So what is I representing? I representing the length of A, and j representing length of S. So somewhat changes here, and I double equals to the size of n. Just a minute. Yeah, so we will just representing I in this thing. So after storing the whether it is true or not, so here it will be MP of it, means MP of the given ACD will be 1. So here storing the answer, incrementing the answer as well, because we found it like it is there. So MP of it, and returning the answer. Yeah. So this should be working. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, we can submit it as well. It will work. Yeah, we can see like it is working. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you.